Hey there, what's up everybody? I'm back with a new video. In this guide, I'll show you the procedure to fix Valorant. This build of Vanguard is out of compliance error. If you see such issue or if you face such issue, then you have to follow these steps. Now here, what you actually want to do is, first step, you want to actually completely close the Valorant. So for that, you want to come to this hidden icon or show hidden icon, and here you want to completely exit or right click on the mouse. And next, you want to right click on the mouse anywhere at the bottom of the screen, then go to Task Manager. When you open up the Task Manager, here you want to locate Vanguard or any something familiar with the Roy client. If you see so, you want to right click on the mouse just like this and click on End Task. Once you do it so, then you want to restart your PC and see. Once again, restart and try logging in and see that fixes your issue or not. And despite that you still face issue, then what you want to do is right click on the mouse on the Valorant, go to open file location, and when you are taken to the file location, you want to go ahead and right click on the mouse for write client services, go to properties, or you just then when you go to properties, what next you want to do is here you want to come to compatibility section and make sure to select run this program and compatibility mode is selected, and you also want to make sure to select run this program as an administrator. Once you've actually done it so, you can also go to the security tab and make sure that all of these permissions are enabled and click on apply and click the OK button. Now then you want to close this up, right click on the mouse and click on run as an administrator, and then open it up and see that fixes your issue or not. However, if the issue still persists on, you also want to check for a Windows update. What you want to do is here, you actually want to go to the settings, open up the settings, and what you want to do is you want to check for Windows software update. If there seems to be an update available, then you could try updating and see that will be able to fix it. So, and despite all this procedure, if none of these work, then you want to completely uninstall the application. For that, you want to come to this page, go to Control Center and open it up or open the Control Center. Then you want to go to Programs or uninstall a program. Here you want to go to locate Valorant, right click on the mouse, click on uninstall. At the same time, you want to do with the right client as well. And once again, go to the browser and install the Valorant with an updated version. That should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.